Hey guys, welcome back. So it is Wednesday and I just got done doing some work for the day. I was gonna go do my walk for the day, but I bought this like literally around Christmas time. Banana White wireless teeth whitening kit. Dual light technology. I don't know if it has to be charged or anything. This is what it looks like, what comes in the box. It's like one of those blue light type thingies. It's been sitting in my office and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna do this real quick because I really need like a self-care pick-me-up moment. I got a lot done today. It's been a good day so far, but it's just crazy how like yesterday I went grocery shopping. I filmed a book video I posted on Wednesday. You guys know I love to talk about books. I just really felt like it was a good day. Little pens, I guess, I don't know. Anyways, I even like was making a mental note of, wow, like I feel really good today. Like positive attitude, uplifted spirits, the whole 9 yards. And then today it's like woke up, everything was fine. I got chili cooking in the crock pot. I filmed it, but I didn't talk because I was already just starting to feel myself go, oh, it's such a miserable feeling that I don't know if you don't live in a place where you experience this like dreary cold weather for many months. Maybe you never experienced that feeling of being trapped and it's cold and you don't feel motivated, you feel sad. It's seasonal depression and it's tough. And Ken's literally texting me, forwarding me all this information, trying to get me to make a final decision on our vacation because I know it helps him a lot mentally if he has that like one thing to look forward to, because the winter months are so tough here in Michigan. I just like when I'm not feeling in the best mood, I hate that being like a day that I make a big decision. How it goes. So far so good. No sensitivity, no pain, didn't like bother my gums or anything. You know, some teeth whitening products can do that. I think I'm going to get on the treadmill, and I've been watching The Trust on Netflix. Did the next episodes come out today or tomorrow? I hate when these programs don't release like all the episodes at once. Like I just want to watch it. But I have to, like they release 3 and then they release 3 more. But I've been like only watching it when I get on the treadmill. It makes me want to go do it. It's the 17th. I've only taken 1 day off a week. First week I took off Sunday. Second week I took off Saturday. Wait until you guys see my leggings for today. They are LuLaRoe, I think they're called. Check out the pattern. They are redbirds and bluebirds. I don't think I have worn these in like 15 years, something like that. It's been a long time. I was like straightening my leggings in my closet. And the thing about them, they're not like supportive leggings. They're super soft and comfortable, but they don't like hold you in. Like I like leggings to fit, but I'm like, I don't care. For today, I'm just walking for my workout. So my outfit doesn't even barely match or even look good, but we don't care.
Go, Tobias.
Yeah, make it.
What are they playing with or digging at?
Carcass.
Oh, jeez.
Toby can't run out there. Look at him. He's a cheater.
What is it? Must be a smell there. Go get him, Tobias. Tobias. Come on, you can do it. Go get him. Go get him, Tobias. He's so cold. We're walking on the pond. That still just freaks me out. I just can't. Where's Bean and where are they going?
Get over here. Bean and Dad.
That's the thing. These dogs, they get together and then they don't listen.
Get over here.
Look, I had to pick up Tobias because he's cold. Come on, Bean. Oh, he's coming back. I got snow in my boots. It's cold. Ugg boots aren't exactly the best snow boots. All right, let's let the littles in. It's too cold. Come on, in the house. Go, go, go. Dax, I got the ball. What'd he lose it? They lost it. Oh, he got it. He got it. I should have grabbed a couple of them. Carly wants to know if we're shoveling off the pond. I'm like, I don't think we're staying out there that long. This is such... No. This is a horrible idea.
We did it last time.
I know, but it was frozen for a lot longer than just a week last time. I don't think the ice is thick enough. Horrible, horrible idea. Because they want to ice skate, so this is not smart. Oh my god.
That stress you out?
Yes, it stresses me out. Yes. People stressing me out. Can you see where it cracked?
Yeah, no, we see it. You see it?
You can see the crack? That's scary. Told ya. You never listened to me. I don't even want to go on here, but I want to see the crack.
You're done?
Oh my gosh. Wow.
What, 3-wheeler? Yeah. I wouldn't put it on it now that it's cracked.
There it goes.
Listen, it's still thick enough for all of us to stand on it. That thing probably weighs over 1,000.
I know, so why did you bring it on the
I thought
ice?
it was thick enough. Maybe it just needs a little thicker. Another day or two.
He's ice skating right through the snow.
They're not.
They're rusty.
They're still blades. Look at them. Your problem is you got too much snow.
Spin her in a circle.
Well, spin her. Take her and just whip her. We're just gonna do the splits. Go get him.
Look at these guys. Look at Tobias. Toby, you can't even. Toby couldn't even see.
He's just
How can they be rusty?
They're old.
She got them from Goodwill.
Well, just because they're maybe dull, they're not rusty.
They're rusty.
Spin in a circle.
Bottoms are rusty. That's because they're sideways. You should be up and down.
Yeah.
Well,
Do you hear that?
He's taking Bean for a ride.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Dad, look.
Love, you're missing it.
What's he doing? Why is he doing that? He's gonna hurt him.
It's gonna be cold out here. I don't have my undercoat on.
She's gonna hate it. What is that? Aw, look at her hold her paw up. She's like, I don't like this very much.
He likes it.
Oh!
Oh, Mom, she won't stop. Hey. No, Mom. Come here.
You're lucky she didn't jump down.
Well, this wasn't a good idea. She seems to like it though.